guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new, I'm the founder of Find Your Magic as a highly sensitive person. And I normally make videos in regards to highly sensitive people, but I thought I'd do a little bit different video today and show you guys my copycat recipe that tastes just like a Starbucks iced vanilla chai latte. So being a highly sensitive person, I tend to avoid a lot of caffeine because it gives me anxiety. So I don't really drink coffee much. I don't drink energy drinks at all. And when I do drink lattes and things like that, I usually do a non-dairy milk, almond or coconut generally, because my stomach just doesn't do that well with dairy or soy. So I just try to avoid those. So when I go to Starbucks, I normally do their matcha frappuccino, or I like doing their iced vanilla chai latte. But obviously that can get really expensive to try to go there all the time. So I was playing around with different recipes to make some of these drinks at home. And I think I perfected the iced vanilla chai latte recipe. So I'm gonna make one and show you guys the recipe. You could do any type of almond milk. I just picked up this organic unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I got that at Costco, a giant pack, so pretty much never run out of it. And I like to write the date that I open it on the top, just so I know when it's pretty close to being bad, and then I use it all up. So then I also picked up this Bigelow vanilla chai black tea, and it is really, really good. I wanted everything to kind of have that vanilla flavor just because I love vanilla and I like the sweetness of it. And then lastly, I got vanilla Truvia. It's an organic sweetener. It's supposed to be a little bit healthier than sugar and other artificial sweeteners. So first I take a mug. I'm gonna use my Scooby-Doo mug. That always just makes me so happy. And get some hot water. We have one of these apps up here, so you can get hot water right from it, but you can also microwave the water for about 2 minutes, or of course use a kettle. Your hot water, you'll want to steep your tea. I usually just dunk it a couple of times and then leave it and go do something else for 5 minutes or so, and then when I come back, it'll be ready to go. And then of course, to get that iced coffee, you want to add a lot of ice. So I filled it up pretty good with ice. You can do less, more, whatever you like. So once your tea is all steeped, you can pour it in your cup with ice, and obviously you can steep it for a little longer. I didn't do it for that long, just in terms of this video, but you'll just have your tea in there with the ice, and then you want to just pour in your milk. And of course you can adjust the levels based on your personal preferences. But look at that. I like a lot. And then I usually take this Truvia and just do a couple of drops. I usually do about 2. Obviously you can do less, you can do more. I usually just take some sort of straw, stir it up. It is very light. It will look darker than this if you steep the tea longer and if you use less milk. But I really like it very vanilla-y and flavorful, and enjoy.